Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good. So let us discuss one important topic today. That is distraction. We may have these issues in everyday life. Hope you agree on this point. Distraction plays an important role for degradation. If you are really stopping your growth, then you might say about that distraction. If you are not getting the results, definitely you might say distraction is one of the reason for which we are not getting that amazing results. So nowadays what happened, we'll be having several distractions. We have the social media distraction, we have the digital distractions, we have the television distractions, we have newspaper distractions, we have society distractions, we have other stuff, even your relationship distractions. Several distractions are coming. If you are a student or you are into doing something, you are into the entrepreneurship, you are into the corporate world, whosoever, this issue is a common for all. That's why we must discuss on this point. So what all thing we have to take in order to just get rid of these distractions? What action we should take? What all things we need to look at so that we can get rid of these distractions? So this is a really $1,000,000 question. It's a really challenging thing, but we all unite together. We have to just contemplate, we have to just introspect, then only we can come into the conclusion. We can have some solution. If there is some issue, then definitely we would have a solution. But at the same time, we have to just think into the depth. Why we are not achieving all those results? We have goals, we have certain vision, missions, but why we are not able to get into that? Why we are not able to achieve all those things in our life? So what is the block in our life? So why we are not able to go into that particularly path? What are obstacles, what are challenges are there in our life? So that is the distraction. If something is coming in our life as hurdles or obstacle, that is the distractions. Due to the distraction, we could not able to focus our work. Due to the distraction, we could not able to concentrate. Due to the distraction, we could not achieve all those results. So how we will get rid of these distractions? So if I'll talk about the positive aspect of the distraction, that is the focus. If you focus, then you can get rid of the distraction. Then you may reach how we'll have the focus, how you'll have all those things will be coming into our life. So focus only will be coming when you will put your awareness onto the one platform. If you will be thinking different stuffs at the same time, if you are working or you are a student, you are studying something, but at the same time, if you will watch television, if you just go to the Facebook or any social media platform and just go and keep on scrolling, okay, and just watch a serial, or you can say watch one movie in Netflix. So many channels are there. If you will do all those things, then what happened? So you are just putting your awareness into the different horizon. So your awareness has gone to watching television, your awareness has gone to your Facebook, your awareness has gone to for some kind of gossiping. So in this way, you just spread your awareness across different platforms. When you are putting your awareness, then what happened? You might be studying, but you are not giving your focus onto your studies 100%. So few portions has been separated, has been gone into the different horizons, for which you are not able to give your 100% focus. When you are not giving your 100% focus, you are not able to give your 100% energy. So here what happened? Due to these distractions, you are just spending your energy into the other fields. You are not giving your complete energy to your studies, to your work. So what happened? You are just spending your energy into the different direction. So that is the thing in which we are coming into the distractions. It is unknown. You might say, why if we'll watch some serials, does it impact in our goal? Does it impact in our dreams? Does it impact in our daily life? Yes, it will impact, because you are unnecessarily watching those things, but it is not required. If something is not required in your life, if you are just giving your time, your energy, your money, then what happened? Is it wasteful? No, it's never. Sometimes, occasionally, that is fine. For entertainment, something is fine, but if you will do it regularly, if you are addicted, then definitely you are not onto the focus on your work or onto your job. You are doing something mistakes. We need to know why we are not giving 100% energy, why our time is gone in other directions, why we could not able to give or spend my time effectively and efficiently. We need to understand these things. You need to raise this question to yourself. You need to just think. You need to contemplate it. You need to have that understanding. Then only you can come into the conclusion. Otherwise, what happens if something is going on, if you keep that thing, same thing repeatedly in your future, then whatever you have been doing in past, whatever you have been getting in past, you will be getting the same thing in future. So there is no growth, there is no substantial growth. What exactly you are expecting something, what you are having some goal, that will not come in your life. If you wanted to have something different, then definitely you have to strategize, you have to plan something, you should take some massive action. You have to get rid of all this negativity, you have to get rid of all this distraction, what I told earlier, which is not required. Just stay away, associate with the correct people, associate with your like-minded people. So this is not difficult, and of course I will say this is not even easy. We have to just give, we have to spare, we have to associate with the positive people, we have to associate with the positive content. It's not about only I'm talking about the people. If you are even connecting with something which is not helping for your goal, that is the distraction. If you are watching something which is not giving any values in your life, then you are wasting your time, I would say. So that's what, if you wanted to really become a successful, if you wanted to do something amazing in your life, then definitely you should get rid of all those distractions. Our focus should be into that platform which will be giving you success, which makes you success. If something we are doing which is not required in our life, then it is called the wastage of time, I would say. So that's what several distractions I told, but you have to just focus what is required. You have to say, you have to just think whether you are working for your fitness, whether you are working for getting something good in your life, you wanted to expect something, but you are not doing it, then definitely we are into the distractions path. You may have that procrastination also. That's what we are not able to achieve all those things. So it's the natural phenomenon. It's not something different. Everybody is having these issues. Everybody, I told everybody, each and every person in this planet are having these issues, but they don't. Few people know the strategy, how they can get rid of all this distraction, how they can face this challenge. So it may be the challenge, it may be the obstacle, but few people know how to get rid of all those things, and they can focus their work. So that's what you should understand what is the priorities in your life, and we have to just take the actions on that particular path in which you will be getting the amazing result in your life. So in one side you can say your results, your dreams, your desires, and the other side all darkness. Okay, if you will choose the wrong path, you will get nothing. So which one you wanted to just choose? Just think about that, whether you should choose the distraction field or you should choose your dreams, whether you should choose your desire, expectation, goal. whether you choose positivity or you choose negativity. It's up to you. That's what every person is different, but how we are spending our time that makes us successful. It's not we are getting the money. If how much money we will be getting, that is not a problem. How much effectively, you can say how we are spending our time effectively and efficiently, how we are thinking in each and every moment, whether we are thinking something exceptional way or we are thinking something into the negative direction, or we are thinking something into the negative direction, whether we will associate with the positive people or whether we are associating with the negative people. This is up to you, this is up to us. So the way you will have that thinking power, you will get those amazing results in your life. So you have to choose, you have to just think what is good and how you will get out from these distractions. You know very well, I just mentioned few points. So just think it, contemplate it, and just take the massive actions in your life. This is what I wanted to say. So what do you say? Want your thoughts? Please let us know so that we can work together and will create a meaningful life in our journey. We'll also enjoy the life also. So be happy, I would say, and have a peaceful mind in each and every moment. So that's what I wanted to say before concluding this video. We'll again meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye, cheers, thank you for watching.